You know what it is. You know who it be.
I don't really
you know
like
who I
saying that
am.
out
They
loud.
Papalalo if you don't. Where we at?
Santa Cruz.
Where we at?
We at
Santa Cruz.
It's party.
He didn't land it though.
Glasses. What? He actually is.
There we go. Ooh, that's fresh. Ooh. This shit ain't cold. I can't really feel my feet anymore.
You do one. Why you laughing? Why you laughing? Then do it. All right.
I think Andres gonna like do it longer than you though, to be honest. Oh, that was like 2 seconds. That was like half. That was a quarter. All right, hold this. Let me show you guys how to do it.
It's your turn. Oh, okay. Okay. Little Sandy there. All right. I guess my turn. Let me really show you what's up.
Try too. Let's see it. There you go. Oh. Oh, that was good too. That was actually good. Damn, are we original or what?
Are we cousins or what? Oh. Come. Hey, why you guys take off your shirts?
Cause I'm tanning, bro.
I told you, right? I told you. Ah, I was right. Yeah, bro, you do need a tan though. So logical that he's so white. Like, yeah, bro. Look at him.
Yeah, I see the abs coming in though.
Hey, that looks like you missed a couple days. Hey, right there. Hey, right here. It looks like you missed a couple days. So what I mean, he missed a couple days is that he didn't go to the gym to work that certain part out.
Yeah, you deep.
So like your muscles, the reason why they don't look how they should is because you missed a couple days. Oh, so good. That's
Hold
so
up, keep the
good.
camera right here.
Oh,
Since
bro.
we're talking about muscles, since we're talking about abs, let's pull some shirts up.
I can put my shirt
All
up.
right, let's see. Oh, yeah. How many days did you miss though?
Bro, he's been hibernating. That one.
He got me. But people love me for my for my jokes. Like, oh, so you're funny. We got a comedian in the family. What's one lesson you learned this week?
I didn't do shit this week.
Okay, then how many days did you miss at the gym?
0. That's a fact.
You heard it here first. Breaking news at the beach. So then today you're not going to the gym?
No. But we gotta work tomorrow.
It's rest day. What is the lesson you learned this week?
Put your happiness over anybody else's.
That sounds correct. This is such an amazing day. Right now, I'm about to do my little thing, listen to my music. Ooh. And I'm at the beach. You already know how to do it, how we do it, how you just gotta go. You just gotta go sometimes. Oh, and I'm chewing some high chews. Fucking delicious. Fucking delicious. I'm gonna tell you what. I'm telling you what.
Oh no. Yeah, it's gonna be alright.
West side.
I know all you're gonna hear is me chewing on this. Yeah, be careful with that. Be careful with your heart.
Can you get the...
Such a hard worker.
Everything you want in life, you have to work for it. Remember that.
Get some bonus.
Oh, eye is ready. It worked. Blanco. Cause I'm gonna tell you on camera, you're about to witness greatness in the making. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. No chaser. No chaser.
Hey, I'm out.
No, wait, just wait, hold up. Just not yet, not yet. Just chill.
No fear. Big Papa Lalo's here.